Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 2, day 5 of our daily creative challenge. How's everybody feeling today? How's everybody feeling the Monday today? Is there Mondays happening? What's going on? Hope everybody had a good weekend and is ready for the challenging or the busy week ahead lined up for our XD challenge and our Adobe Live sessions that are coming through. Quick hello to everybody in chat here. Raul, Enrique, Dorina, good morning, you guys. Hello, welcome. Mahamadul, Tiana, Jason, Marco, Joanna, welcome, you guys. Welcome to our daily creative challenge. For those of you who are watching the live stream on YouTube, head over to Behance and you can interact with chat and the design community. So be sure to head over to Behance and look at our live streaming. Hi, Massimiliano. Welcome, you guys. Good morning. For those of you who don't know what the Daily Creative Challenge is, let me tell you. So the Daily Creative Challenge is think of it more like a 2-week boot camp where people get to go through challenges every single day. And also by the end of it, you perfect your skills, you perfect your art. People who are beginners, who are graphic designers, who want to learn more about UI, UX, and screen design, it's a great way to understand more about it. People who are developers, engineers, or people who are just generally curious about designing, this is a great way to get started on the Daily Creative Challenge. So going over to our screen here, I'm going to show you guys really quickly of what the Daily Creative Challenge is, how do you engage with our design community, participate, get feedback, and just learn more about design every single day. So our Daily Creative Challenge is So when you complete 7 days of designs in 9 days, you're almost getting to be perfect. And, practice makes a man better. So practice. Be open to feedback. Give feedback to your fellow friends as well on Slack. So how do you participate? So join us on Slack. So we have our Slack channel, and when you register, and let me actually show you guys real quick. So when you click on register, you're going to land on, and if you're already signed in, you're going to land on a chat channel where be sure to introduce yourself in the introductions panel here. And also you can go over and ask for feedback. So once you finished your Daily Creative Challenge, be sure to post it on your design feedback, ask for feedback for the design community, or Michael Chase is going to be on it, Lee Cooper is going to be on it. So feel free to ask for feedback. And also if you go over to Help General, which let's go over. You can go over and post if you have any questions regarding your XD file, if you are having trouble finding a certain feature. So be sure to ask it in Help General. And once you've done your feedback, your challenge, we're gonna put it here in the design feedback. Looks like there's a lot of portfolios which is really exciting. And then every morning in the announcement is where we introduce the challenges. So Lee Cooper this morning added our challenge for the day, which is order flowers, which is exciting. That's pretty much, okay, so let's go over to Behance. So when you are going to, when you're done with your challenges, be sure to go to Behance and upload your file. And then on the Discoverability tab, you are going to type XD Daily Challenge. And that's the only way that we can keep a tab on the projects. And then be sure to also upload all of the project in one folder or under Daily Creative Challenge. So it's easy for us to go over and review all of you guys' great, amazing work that are coming through. So quickly going over a couple of different portfolios from our previous day challenge. So this is by Sei Oyokia. Has done a really great work of the video conference. Let's see if we can zoom in here and go over. I like the blur background. It's really nice to see everybody's effort and how you guys are taking this seriously and also perfecting your skills. And then we're gonna go over to one more. This is by Joanna. Let's see. I like Joanna's design concepts that are going on. We have details here. So overlay going on. Have a nice day. This is really, really cool. I think we have one more. This is by Gladstone Davis. So Gladstone Davis has done Swift. Has like various screens here, has named all of the screen, assets, iconography, font, color. I like how everybody is documenting your process, which is really nice to see. Every designer or every creative has different processes. So it's really nice to see how you guys are actually thinking through your challenges. Gonna type great work. Cool. So let's go over to building our challenge for the day. So we are going to be designing a order flower for mobile app. So I've already have my screen here ready, and then we're going to go over and build this really quickly, and then maybe I will build a screen or two, and then we're going to switch to our prototype where I have everything laid out. So I want to show you guys today all about prototyping, overlays, and how exciting and easy it is actually to convey your ideas. So we're gonna go ahead and actually let me make this a little smaller. Perfect. We're gonna go, okay, so if I want to duplicate the screen, click on the artboard, Command C and Command V. I want this to be Tuesday. We're gonna give this app a name, maybe Bloom. Or if you guys have other suggestions. Hi Anel, good morning, welcome. Let's make that maybe 72. The other thing is that you can also go ahead. So when you click on a type, you see a little circle at the bottom. So if you hold on to that, you can also adjust the type size, which is also really cool. So we're gonna go over and then maybe make that 62, 61. Cool. Copy paste. So I already have this built out, so we're gonna go ahead and copy and paste. Say if you want to select on a particular date, I want to be able to show that as a highlighted version. So we're gonna go click on fill here on the right side. I already have my color picked on the left panel, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on the tile, and then automatically changes. Boom. Cool. And then let's do one more maybe. And then we'll switch over to our prototypes. I want to show you guys how I drag and drop imagery to make it very easy. So on the file, when you go over to File, Open CC Library, so in Adobe Stock, you can go over to adobestock.com and also add all of the imagery that you like, and which gets automatically filled into your creative libraries. So it already gone in pre-selected assets. So I'm going to drag and drop. So you drag on something that you like, and then when you hover, your shape that you've selected is going to be highlighted, and you drop, and it automatically fits the screen, which is really great. I'm gonna close that. Cool. Make that different border. Awesome. So these are certain basic screen skills that I wanted to show you guys, but I want to really quickly go over our prototyping. So let's get started. So say if I want to let's click on this and say if I want to click on Monday, and then I want the schedule to either drop down or slide up. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go over to the prototype panel right next to your design. So design is where you actually go and do your artboards, you lay out all your designs, and you lay out all of your work. And prototyping is where we want to actually add interactions and make that more realistic. So we're going to go ahead, click on our home screen. So now I want to click on Monday and then to pull down the schedule. So you're going to go over. We have transition, your overlay schedule, and I want it to slide down. So we're gonna do slide down, ease in. So let's take a look at it real quick. So in the shortcut to play is Command Enter. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So we just added, so when we click on Monday, we wanted the schedule to slide down. So let's see how that looks. Voila, that's beautiful. All right, now let's go and build this interaction out. So say I want to select on Tuesday, and I want Tuesday to be highlighted, right? Because we're making a selection. So let's click on Tuesday and then drag it to our next artboard. Now, let's see. I don't want it to slide down. So I want it to dissolve, right? So when we're gonna click on an interaction, you can only see the highlighted version of it. So let's do dissolve. Ease in. The other thing is that you can also curate your duration, the seconds, the delays, which is really great. So right now we want it to be 0.4 seconds. So let's do that. Now I want to see the entire interaction what I built. So let's go click on my artboard here, Command Enter, click on Monday. We have our schedule drop down. I want to click Tuesday. There we go. That was simple. Now let's go finish that loop. All right, so we want Tuesday to be uploaded on our main home screen. So we're gonna click on Tuesday. So whenever you click on a specific module, you can go and add interactions. So we want Tuesday, August 7th, which is tomorrow. And then we're gonna drag and drop it to this artboard. So I wanted to slide up because we did slide down before. Ease in. And then now Sunday is going to be updated on your screen. So again, take a look at it real quick. Command Enter. Monday. Click on Monday. We have our schedule slide down. Tuesday. Oh, maybe, you know what? I should have that updated to Tuesday. Let's see if that works now. Monday, Tuesday. There we go. Boom, Tuesday. So these are really, really great ways to communicate the interactions you want to, or if you want to explore a certain, screen, micro interactions as well, and to communicate to your friends, stakeholders, or just want to play and learn more about Adobe XD. It's a great tool. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and click on our hamburger button, and we want that to pull up our user profile. So we're gonna click on transition. We want it to move, slide left, maybe. Ease in. 0.4 seconds is good. So let's try that. Command Enter. There we go. So maybe I want it to be slide right and not left. So we're gonna go update that on our transition. And I wanna see how that looks. Hamburger, click on your hamburger. There you go, perfect. Now, from this screen, I want to go back to our home screen. So I'm going to go build that out. So click on the arrow here that I've built out. And then we wanted to go back to the main screen. So slide right was our first interaction. So we're going to do slide left. Awesome. I just want to quickly check. So we're going to go Command Enter, hamburger. Beautiful. Click on it and it goes back. Our app's coming together, you guys. Is everybody with me? Is everybody doing alongside of me? Joanna says she's in love with XD, as am I. It's really great. How's everybody doing? Are you guys doing it along with me? Are you guys watching and learning? Let's fill this interaction out. Let's see. So I want to click on a certain flower and I want details. So we're going to go ahead and maybe click on the imagery. And we want this screen to pop up. Now I wanted to maybe slide, maybe push up. So I wanted to come from the bottom of the screen. I want ease in, or maybe let's do ease out. Let's see how that looks. So click on your home screen, Command Enter shortcut. So we built this interaction out. So click on it. We saw that. We saw ease out. Maybe I want it to be ease in. So let's go click on your interaction that you built and let's update that to ease in. Now let's take a look. Command Enter. Oops. Command Enter. Perfect. I like that. Now I want, let's see, I want to see more details. So I want to click on the details and I want it to maybe slide up. So we're going to go ahead and build that. So let's see. Click on, oh, I guess, let's see. So we're going to click on the background details and I want to go over to the overlay tab because I wanted to overlay on top of it and read more details. And then let's do slide up because I wanted to push from the bottom, ease in. Perfect. Command Enter. So I'm going to click on the details here. We just finished this interaction, so let's see. Beautiful. So it pulled up and then it goes back down. Now I want to send the flowers Elisa to someone. So we're going to go ahead. When we click on send, we're going to have a small update of the icon that says send. So let's think that up. So the other thing is that when we want to overlay, we want to make sure that our artboard is transparent behind. So what that means is that if your artboard is filled, you're not, actually let's see how that looks. So you want that. And you want it sent. So overlay tab, we're gonna go click on that green box. All right, let's see, Command Enter. Let me know if I'm going too fast, you guys. I can slow down on chat, let me know. So what happened is that we did, our artboard was full behind and we finished the overlay interaction. So it looks like it's dropping down. So we don't want that to happen. So let's go back to our design, select our artboard, make it transparent, go back to prototype, I want it to dissolve. That's what I did. So we're gonna add dissolve. We're gonna do ease in 0.4 seconds. Now let's see how that looks. Command enter. Click on send. Ooh, I guess I didn't. Yes, so when you click on overlay, you're gonna see a little green box with a scroll. So you click on it, and wherever you want it to be updated, we're gonna go put it. So in this case, we want send to dissolve and become sent. That's what we're gonna do. So let's look at that real quick. Command enter. Click on send. Sent. There's a little alignment problem, but that's fine because we can perfect it later. So now I want to go through and look at Eliza, Rosa, and Marisa, different kind of flowers. So we're going to click on Eliza, and then we're going to move to our next artboard. We want it to slide left. Slide left, yes. Ease in, and then we're gonna do, when we click on Rosa, we want it again to have slide left. Awesome. And then let's finish this too. So when we get to Marissa, maybe let's try that. Command enter is the shortcut. So click on Eliza. I want to see other options. There we go. It moves. Click again. We see Marissa. Now we want it to say thank you. So we're gonna go ahead and have overlay and have it position on top of our artboard. So it's gonna appear on top of our artboard, ease in. We want it to dissolve. All right, command enter. I think. Ooh. Oh, okay, so command enter. Click on the Rosa, click on send, and then thank you. Then you can close it out, and then you can go back. Perfect. And then we're gonna finish this loop by, when we add the Rosa, we wanna go back to our home screen. So then we go back to maybe slide left. Or no, we did push up, so we're gonna do push down. All right, let's take a look at it real quick. Command enter, the Rosa. We see our overlay, we're gonna X out. We want to go back to the home screen, so we're gonna click. And there we go. We have a great functioning app in 15 minutes. That's awesome. So let's look at this from the top. So the shortcuts are command enter. So we're going to click on command enter. All right. Now I want to change my schedule. Click on Monday. I see different pickup of delivery rates. I want it to be delivered tomorrow. Click on Tuesday. And then we're going to have that updated in our calendar. Now I want to see my profile. So we're going to click on the hamburger. Ooh. What's going on? Come on, enter. There we go. And then go back to your home screen. Now I want to look at the Eliza. Click on Eliza. Pushes down. I want to see other options. What are the other options? There's Rosa. There's Marissa. And then we wanted to see send thank you. We see overlay, close out. When I go back to our home screen, which is great. So we have a great app in 10 minutes, you guys, which is awesome. So for today, we are unfortunately done with our time, but hopefully you guys enjoyed and worked alongside of me creating these interactions. Feel free to reach out on Slack. Michael Chase is going to be on it. Lee Cooper is going to be on it. So if you have any questions, be sure to ask on chat. But for right now, we are done, and then we'll be back tomorrow with another set of challenge. Bye, you guys.